Welcome to the Field of Trucks for Sign Up Series 36. Without further ado, let's start off. There is some more trucks in the series than usual. There's 40 trucks this time, so let's start off. Monster Mutt Rottweiler, Category 5. Sriracha, making its return. Mechanical Mischief, Anger Management, Destroyer, Monster Mutt. All three of the Mutts are in this, but I couldn't find my normal Monster Mutt, the old tool, so that's why I used the 2014 one. Monster Mutt Dalmatian, Hot Wheels 2012, Lucas Oil Crusader, Super Trucker, Prowler, Iron Outlaw. Whoa, okay, my camera fell. There we go, let's just fix that. Flashback King Crunch, Cutler Tread Son of a Digger, Demo Derby, Screaming Demon 2000, I think that's 2009, but just comment red Screaming Demon or black Screaming Demon, I don't care. Silver Avenger, Higher Education, Bounty Hunter. I'm running out of room. I need to move this. Because there's the white Screaming Demon. So yeah, there's two Screaming Demons. Superman, Sudden Impact, Barbarian, Purple Mohawk Warrior, Virginia Giant, Aftershock, Red Max D, Bone Shaker, 03 Spider-Man, World Finals, Reptoid, American Dream, Blue Thunder, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. I'm really running out of room. Air Force Afterburner, The Felon, Gravedigger, Nitro, and Sting. That is the Field of Trucks for Sign Up Series 36. I'll do the series either later tonight or tomorrow. So, bye.